H-U-R-I-E-R. What are they stand for? And the first H is hearing. Of course, when we communicate, the basic things is we do hearing. And remember, hearing is not yet a communication because there is no activity of responding effectively, or what we call listening. But hearing is the basic one. When we hear, we cannot interpret the meaning because we're hearing. So we physically perceiving sounds. Understanding. The second step is understanding. We understand because that sound that we hear brings meaning. We understand. And then bila kita understand, we need to remember. Kalau kamu ingat dulu kan, dulu cikgu di sekolah, kamu ingat lagi kah zaman kamu di sekolah rendah? Saya ingat tau zaman saya di sekolah rendah. Saya pernah dapat markah semua warna merah. Itu di darjah 3 sampai darjah 4, darjah 5 lah. Markah saya semua merah. Dan biasanya kalau saya dapat markah merah tuh, jari saya pun merah semua. Sebab salah satu yang saya masih ingat ialah kelas ilmu hisab. Kamu tahukah kelas ilmu hisab?
Matematik.
Zaman matematik. Ini zaman bapak-bapak you all. Ya, zaman kami. Saya sekolah rendah tahun 70-an. 70-an matematik itu dia panggil ilmu hisab. Geografi dia panggil apa? Geografi dia panggil ilmu alam. Dulu siap tau dulu. And then civic. Civic. Tak tahulah kalau sekarang moral. Dulu zaman saya dipanggil tata rakyat. Dulu siap ni. Zaman-zaman bapak-bapak you all, your mothers is my era as well. Ya. So dulu kalau tidak hafal sifir, walaupun di sekolah rendah dia akan ketuk dengan pembaris. Tapi kalau ketuk dengan pembaris, bangga dulu. Saya kalau cikgu saya pukul dengan pembaris tidaklah kuat. Dia ketuk di jari. Boleh tunjuk sama kawan sebelah. Tengok kan saya hebat. Dia begitu. Tapi coba sekarang. Kena viral lah. Habis cikgu kena belasa oleh netizen kan. Itulah perbezaan waktu. Perbezaan zaman. You need to remember ya, when I talk about dulu-dulu, similar with your parents. Kami ni orang dulu-dulu. But whatever it is, doesn't mean dulu-dulu hebat, sekarang tidak hebat ya. Dulu-dulu hebat, sekarang lagi hebat. Kamu ni lagi hebat. My observation is that you all have greater challenges than we are. This is the reality. During our time, masa kami ni mana ada teknologi. Dulu saya masih ingat zaman typewriter. Mana ada social media. You all sekarang ada social media. You all sekarang ada YouTube. You all sekarang ada teknologi. You have greater challenges than your parent. Your parent is me lah, for example. So because of that, I learned something that we should not treat our children same like what we are being treated during our age. Dia macam itulah kan. Saya ni jenis yang very down to earth, very practical. So going back to remembering tadi itu, you all have greater challenges, and knowing that you all have greater challenges, you must try to train yourself to do things accordingly, rightfully. Interpreting means sometimes when people communicate with us, they are using non-verbal communication. They said yes, but their eyes showing no. They say okay, but their voice trembling. Ini part of interpreting exercise. So, good listening is practice when you are able to interpret correctly. Evaluating whatever you communicate, you have to be able to evaluate the benefit of communicating something to people out there. sometimes we forget that when we post something in our Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, kita shock sendiri. Kita shock sendiri. Tapi ramai orang yang membaca apa yang kita post. Imagine ya, kalau kita post itu ke arah tidak baik ataupun kejahatan lah. Imagine our wrongs, ya. So be careful when we posting in social media, ya. Try not to express your angriness. Try not to type things that promoting something bad lah, ya. Because social media wall is borderless. And then finally responding. Kita kena respond. Kalau kamu dalam grup-grup yang ramai kan, mungkin ada dalam kalangan kamu ni suka CCTV. CCTV ni orang yang membaca tanpa memberi respon. Kesian kawan. Dia upload benda yang bernilai, kita tidak support dia. At least tunjuklah beginikah, tunjuk beginikah, contoh kan. Tapi kalau kawan tu balik-balik postings kan, itu bikin meluat lah. Jadi kamu CCTV, huruf besar lagi CCTV, TV itu disisihkan. Jadi responding is very important, ya. Responding means you are appreciating what being communicated to you. Okay, that is your model.